You are welcome back to my channel once again. I go by the name Prince, aka Slum Beast, and you already know this is what we do. We love what we do, and we know how we do. Lovely people, you are watching Extra Biz channel. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in the day 6 of trying to make £1,000 online, and today something finally clicked. For the past 6 days, I have been stuck at zero. Yeah, I have been trying everything, posting, testing, learning. Since I started with zero experience, selling products online, yeah, I have been trying everything, every process that could help me make sales. And it's rather unfortunate, I am still stuck at zero, no sales yet. People, and I won't lie, it gets really frustrating. Yeah. As you can see, I am very frustrated over here, for putting in all this hard work for the past couple of days, and I have not made any sales yet. Yeah. It makes you think, is this game just not meant for you? Or are you not really meant for this? Is this not your path? After putting in all this hard work for a couple of days, for over a week, and putting in all the necessary strategies for you for it to help you make sales online, and you still stuck at zero. Come on, man, people. Yeah, I'm frustrated. I ain't gonna lie about this. Yeah, but today, people, I kind of realized the problem wasn't the method I was implementing. Yeah, my method wasn't the problem at all, but rather how I was approaching it was the problem. Yeah, I think I am not approaching it properly because I've put in the right systems, to help me achieve my goal, to help me make sales, and to help me reach my audience. But still zero. So it came to my senses, my approach is wrong, and I need to do something about it. I finally acknowledged I have been trying to sell first before building trust, which should be the opposite way. I should build trust first before I sell. But since I had no experience, selling online, I tried to sell my products first before gaining, my customers' trust. And I think this is one of the major issues why I am still at zero. Yeah. I'm not happy. Not happy at all. So today, people, yeah, I switched things up. I focused on giving value to people first. Clearer message, better hooks, and actually helping people, And yeah, I'm still at zero. But this time, it feels different. It hits different, yeah. Day 7, people. Yeah. In day 7, I'm going in all with this new approach. Yeah, I'm changing the game. I'm changing my strategy. I'm changing my approach. So watch out for me in day 7, my people. I'm going in all with full effect with this new approach. If you are on this journey too, subscribe. Let's grow together. See you at day 7 with this new game changer plan. Until then, is peace.